Hey guys, my name's John Erickson. I'm represented by MKM, and I'm located here in Los Angeles, California. I'm auditioning for the role of Patrick. Thanks for having me read. I love the script.
Of course, absolutely. We're very excited. I'll show you to the elevator. And this is why I hired you. You work around the clock, nights and weekends, and somehow manage to have better manicured nails than me. You've got that killer instinct. I can see it in you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Stop that man thing. From now on, it's Miss Sinclair you. Well, you hooked a very big fish, but it's only going to get harder from here. The question is, are you ready to lead it?
You mean...
It's your baby if you want it.
Yes? Thank you, Miss Sinclair. I won't let you down.
Marvelous. It comes with all the perks. The man of the hour.
Richard, how's life at the Carmichael account?
Fuck you. That's how it is.
Sorry, I asked.
This is job, man. I don't think I've had a decent night of sleep in months. You'll see.
How do you deal with it?
The only way to survive this game is to have the right pressure outlet. And I feel that those two lovely ladies at the end of the bar just might do the trick.
Not tonight. Too tired.
Come on. I need my main man. Wait. You're not still hung up over that chick. What was her name?
Fuck you. That was her name.
Look at that passion. Forget about her. She left you high and dry, right?
Yeah. I guess we just wanted different things.
Well, one nail drives out the other. If you know what I mean. Suit yourself.
Fuck me.
Hey, we're heading out to Rojo's for a drink. You coming?
Can't right now.
Come on, man. You look like you need a break.
I said I can't.
Gotta get over her.
Get out! Fuck you!